Correlation method in psychology. What is correlation method in psychology? Can you define correlation method? What are the types of correlation research? Can you list the types of correlation methods? What are the advantages of correlation method? What are the disadvantages of correlation? Going to learn. The correlation method looking at relation between two or more variables. While researchers can use correlation to see if a relation exists, the variables themselves are not under the control of researchers. Define correlation method. It is a statistical measure that indicates the extent to which two or more variables fluctuate together. A positive correlation indicates the extent to which those variables increases or decreases in parallel. A negative correlation indicates the extent to which one variable increase as the other decrease. Types of correlation research. Naturalistic observation research, survey method, and actual research. Explanation. Naturalistic observation. This method involves observing and recording the variables of interest in the natural environment without interference or manipulation by experimenter. The survey method. Surveys and questionnaires are among the most common methods used in psychological research. Archival research. This is type of research is performed by analyzing studies conducted by other researchers or by looking at historical patient records, etc. Types of correlation. There are three types of correlation: positive correlation, negative correlation, and no correlation. First, we are going to deal with positive correlation. In this type of correlation, both variables increase or decrease at the same time. A correlation coefficient close to +1 indicates a strong positive correlation. Look at this graph. Is a perfect positive correlation. Negative correlation. This type of correlation indicates that as the amount of one variable increases, the other decreases, and vice versa. A correlation coefficient close to -1 indicates a strong negative correlation. Look at this picture. Is perfect negative correlation. No correlation. This indicates no relation between the two variables. A correlation coefficient of 0 indicate no correlation. this graph, no correlation. Advantages of correlation method. Study behavior in real life. It is often highly efficient. Include many different variables at once. Disadvantages of correlation method. No cause and effect relationship. Not reliable. Not accurate. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.